गोय हेडमास्टर संघटनेन शुक्रारा पत्रकार परिषद घेतली. ह्या फावट संघटनेन शिक्षकां खातीर 2 दिसाच्या निवासी परिसंवादाचे आयोजन केला. आरडेक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान विलियम रॉड्रिक्स.
And all the channels. On behalf of the Goa Headmaster Association, I would like to welcome each one of you. So friends, Goa Headmaster Association is the association of the heads of the aided schools of Goa. It is a supreme body. It conducts various activities, and the major activities that is conducting throughout the years is the common 10th standard prelims papers, where all the schools of Goa, and definitely some of you also on Goa might have answered them. Not only the aided school, even the government school are the beneficiaries of this prelims papers. Secondly, annually we conduct the Goa Talent Search Examination in par with National Talent Search Examinations, where students compete with one another for these honors. We also conduct workshops, seminars for heads as well as for teachers to upgrade their knowledge in this education system. And this year, for the first time, the GHA is organizing a residential 2 days conference for the heads under the topic Leading School, Leading Learning. It is in association with NIPA, the National Institute of Educational Planning and Statistics, New Delhi, and Goa Samagra Shiksha. We held on 31st July and 1st August at Father Joseph Faz Spiritual Renewal Center. Over 250 heads of Goa will be attending this conference.
स्कूल्स कितले हा गोवा एडेड आणि कितले पार्टिसिपेट जातात?
We are expecting participants of around 250 schools. म्हणून साधारण 300च्या वयर स्कूल आसा. आमची 280 आसा प्लस आमी 340 350 सुमार स्कुलां आसा गोंयांत. पूण रेजिडेन्शियल असल्या कारणान सगळ्याक अडचण जावंक शकता. म्हणजे सगळ्यात येतल्याचे ना 100% पार्टिसिपेट जावचे ना. पूण आमी आत्तां जी तयारी केल्या, वी आर एक्सपेक्टिंग एटलीस्ट 250 एड्स टू पार्टिसिपेट इन दिस.
इन्व्हिटेशन धाडला तुमी सगळं?
सगळ्या स्कुलांक आमी ऑलरेडी अवेलेबल आसा, रजिस्ट्रेशन जाल्लें आसा. कारण आमी तेचे रजिस्ट्रेशन एडवान्स करपाक लागले. आत्ता पर्यंत अराउंड 180 ऑलरेडी जाल्लें आसा. ह्या 2-3 दिसांक कशें जालें, ते गव्हर्मेंट स्कुलांचो जो आसा तेका समग्र शिक्षा अभियानान कोलॅबोरेशन जाल्या नंतर लेटर गेला. सो तांकां मातशें लेट लेटर गेलें आमचें. कित्याक आमचो एसोसिएशन जें आसा तें एडेड स्कुलांचें आसा. When Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan has collaborated with us so that we have accommodated government schools also, because they are also part of this education system. So we decided to have government schools, as well as now we have decided that there are some unaided schools, around 20 unaided schools are there. So we have kept it open for unaided schools also. So याचो बेनिफिट हो सगळ्यांक मेळटा, कारण we will be having some experts from New Delhi. न्यूपाची जी हेड आसा प्रोफेसर रश्मी दिवान, शी विल बी कमिंग स्पेशली फॉर दॅट वर्कशॉप. तेंचे सगळे फॅकल्टीज येतल्यो. सो बरे लोक जेन्ना येतात एज्युकेशनान जेणी काम केल्लें आसा तेजी सगळ्यांक एडवांटेज मेळची. विथ दीस इंटेंशन वी हॅव डिसायडेड टू इन्क्लूड एवरीबडी, ऑल द सेकंडरी स्कूल एड्स, गव्हर्मेंट, अनएडेड अँड एडेड.